Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to transpose a table in Power Query. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data. Here you need to convert this data into table to load data in Power Query. Simply select the inside the cell and press the Ctrl T to convert this data into table. Here you can see the small dialog box is open, create table, click on OK and your data in table. Go to the data tab. In get and transform data group, click on the get data option. Then click on the from other sources. Then click on the from table or range option. And here you can see your Power Query editor will open. Okay. So here you can see your data. To transpose the data, simply go to the transform tab and click on the transpose. And that's it. Your data is full transpose. You can see the first is the name showing, then date, then amount, and then status, the true and false. Okay. So this is a way you can easily transpose. And after that, go to the home tab and click on the close and load. The data will load in your Excel sheet. So that's it. So this is the way you can transpose a table in Power Query. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.